Hey, what's up? I'm Mason the Mason with Wyatt & Sons Construction. In today's video, I'm going to be squaring up this foundation. I'll be showing my guys, the Jakes, how to square up a foundation.
What's up, guys?
Hey. Jake Martin's holding the print we got. So here's the house behind us, and then this is the foundation, the porch right over there. First thing you gotta do is figure out the distance off the house. We got 28 foot and 6 foot off of that, so 28 and 34. Show them what we're gonna need, Jacob.
All right, so we need flat shovel, we need chalk line, brick hammer, bag of nails.
What kind of nails? Hard nails, right?
Hard nails.
Real fat ones.
We need 100-foot tapes.
2 of them.
And markers.
Boom, that's it. So we're gonna go mark 28 foot and 34 foot on our footer over there. We need that flat shovel so we can clean up the footer, make sure it's all clear of dirt and rocks and things. So Jake Martin's gonna put my end of my tape right up into the corner of the foundation there. And then I just mark 28 on my footer on both sides of this square. You good? Hold tight. Yep. It's all marked up. 28, and then is another 6 foot, so 34. You good?
Yep.
That's that. Next thing is we're going to snap our 28 foot line here and our 34 foot line there. Alright, line snapped, got some nice red lines. Next thing we got to do is our cross measurement. I did this in the truck the other morning when we were laying out the footers the first time, so I have it written down. And I'm only worried about the outside wall line. You see how it all runs together, very smooth, 10s to 8s. There's no interference in the outside. I'm only worried about this cross measurement for the long outside measurement here, which is 41 feet, 7 and 7/16 inches. So Jake is gonna hold me exactly on the outside corner of that foundation there. You got her? You got her good? All right, I'm gonna drag her to the other corner. So Jake's over there. I'm cross measuring over to here. Tight, you good? Yep. Putting a matching my 41 7 inches, 7/16 right there. Ooh. Still good?
Yep.
I just put a small dot right there, and that's my corner. And then I do the same thing the other side, exactly in the corner. I go down, I match up my 41 and 7/16 right onto the line, right there, and I put a little dot. That's my corner. Now I can snap my lines going back to the house on both sides. So Jake's gonna hold me right on the corner down there.
Oh man, I got you.
So red dot was my overall outside corner measurement, and this is where the basement foundation ends with 10s, and I can just put my nail right there. I don't have to figure out the cross measurement on that one. You can double check our measurement this way. It says right here 24 foot across. We'll check that quick. Alrighty, Jake's going down right on my corner over there. 24 foot 1. Double checked our cross measurements. The one over there is perfect. This one was just off an inch, so I just gotta move my line over to here. That's why it's always important to double check before you slam your nails into your corners. So this one's good. We 3-4-5'd it. I'll show you how to do that on this side. So we'll just double check again and 3-4-5 this corner to make sure it's square. So if you don't remember from geometry class, 3-4-5 is like a pretty easy square number to remember. So all I'm gonna do is measure 3 foot off of there, 4 foot off of there, mark it, and then make sure I have 5 foot across. Put me right on our 28 foot line. I go to my new one here, go 3 foot, hold me on the new one on the marker mark, 3 foot, 4 foot this way, more. Okay, now Jake, I want you to hold me just like this. So you take the tooth of your tape measure right here and you put it sideways, straight up and down, like that, right on that marker mark. All right, Jake, hold me there. Then I go over to this mark and see if it's 5 foot. Look at that, perfect, 5 foot. Come on. So same thing, good. 4 foot. And on that marker mark. 3 foot. Put it right on that tooth. Other side, please. Yeah, there you go. Right on that tooth. 5 foot, right on the nose. Now we're ready for the hard nails. So I put the tip of my hard nail right on the marker mark on the red line. And I give her a good tap. Now you would think little taps to get it in. You want to smash this thing in because it won't go in. It's concrete. That's why we have a hard nail. So once it's good and snug, give her. See that? That's why it busts. So right on my nail, I can wrap my chalk line around it when I come back and snap lines again. So I gotta do that everywhere. Hopefully nobody kicks that. That one's done. Last one. All right, that's all our corners. All right, now we can clean up all our tools. We just need some spray paint. All I have is white. That kind of sucks. I really prefer something like orange or anything that stands out, not white. This is all I have. So I just spray the top and then a nice circle around it. On all of them, I do that. So I'll just take this red marker, mark the top of my nail head, and in the white, the kind of. All right, now nobody should go near it. I'm gonna do that to all of them. And that's pretty much all there is to it to square up an easy foundation like this. So a little tip, before there's stone or block or anything that could possibly be in your way in the footers, you want to square this up, because if you wait and get all your material in here, there's no way to pull your cross measurements and make sure everything's square. So before anything happens with material, you want to square this up, get your hard nails in, and then that way when all that stuff happens, your lines fade, you can come back, wrap your chalk line around your hard nails, snap lines, start laying your corners. You guys learn anything about squaring stuff up?
Oh yeah. Yeah, we did it. I did it before. The last foundation we did.
Oh.
I learned more than I have in school.
Yes.
Hope you guys learned something. Thanks for watching to the end of this video. Stick around for the next couple videos. We'll be laying block, core pouring, all that fun stuff.